Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 12th Standard Business Mathematics and Statistics, Chapter number 4, continuation of exercise 4.5. Now problem number 5. Solve d squared minus 2d minus 5 into y that is equal to 0. The given condition dy by dx equals 0 and that is d squared by dx squared is equal to 2 when x equals 0. First you have to write that auxiliary equation. In auxiliary equation, you just replace d by m. Consider the expression which is inside the brackets, that d has to be replaced by m. So m squared minus 2m minus 15 is equal to 0. Since it is an equation, this expression is equated to 0. Then factorize. Coefficient of m squared equals 1. 1 into minus 15 is minus 15. And the coefficient of m that is equal to minus 2. Product minus 15, sum minus 2. The two numbers are 5 and 3. For getting minus 2, I have to introduce minus for the greater number. So minus 5 plus 3. For getting the linear factors, consider the coefficient of m squared, that is 1. Write 1 in the numerator with variable m. Here also 1 into m. So 1 into m minus 5, m plus 3. m minus 5, m plus 3 is equal to 0. So product of these two equals 0 means either m minus 5 equals 0 or m plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, m minus 5 comes right hand side plus 5. Here, m that is equal to plus 3 comes right hand side minus 3. We have two different values of m. So, consider them as m1 and m2. m1 that is equal to 5 and m2 that is equal to minus 3. Even you can consider m1 equals minus 3, m2 equals 5. Now, since they are different, you have to write the roots, nature of roots. Roots are real and unequal. Therefore, complementary function equals a into e power m1x plus b into e power m2x. That is equal to a into e power m1 can be replaced by m1 that is equal to 5x, b into e power m2 that is equal to minus 3, so minus 3x. That is a complementary function. And particular integral equals, look at the right hand side of the given equation, 0. Straight away you can write 0. If the right hand side of the given equation is 0, you can straight away write pi equals 0. After getting that CF and pi, you have to write the solution. Solution, which one is common? Y. So write y equals y that is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So which implies y that is equal to, what is the complementary function? Here it is, a into e power 5x plus b into e power minus 3x. a into e power 5x plus b into e power minus 3x plus pi. pi equals 0. So you no need to put pi here, 0. You just write the reason only, pi that is equal to 0. Here we have two arbitrary constants. What are they? A and b. To find the values of a and b, here are given two conditions. One is when x equal to 0, dy by dx equals 0. Another one when x equal to 0, d squared by dx squared equals 2. First I take when x equal to 0, dy by dx equals 0. Given dy by dx equals 0. Okay, before writing this one, you have to differentiate. Then only can get dy by dx, isn't it? So dy by dx equals, so write differentiate with respect to x. Y with respect to x is dy by dx. Here a is the constant. Write the constant as it is. e power 5x differentiation is e power anything is e power same thing, then what is the coefficient of x? 5. That should be multiplied in differentiation. Like that, b write as it is into e power anything is e power same thing into what is the coefficient of x? Minus 3. That should be multiplied into minus 3 equals 5 into a 5a into e power 5x plus into minus 3 into b 3b into e power minus 3x. This is dy by dx. Okay, now let it be number 2. Now I am going to differentiate again because you are given d squared by dx squared. So again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x. The differentiation of dy by dx with respect to x is d squared y by dx squared equals 5a write as it is because the constant is multiplied with the function, write the constant 5a as it is. E power 5x differentiation is e power 5x into the coefficient of x is 5. That should be multiplied. Like that, minus 3b write as it is. E power minus 3x differentiation, first step e power minus 3x into the coefficient of x, what is here? Minus 3, that should be multiplied. Equals 5 5s are 25, a into e power 5x minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9, b into e power minus 3x. Okay, and let it be number 3. Now we have 3 equations. This is d squared y by dx squared. Now given, I start with the dy by dx equal to 0 when x equals 0. Dy by dx equals 0 when x that is equal to 0. Substitute these two values in equation number 2. In equation number 2 only we have dy by dx. So equation number 2 implies dy by dx, what is in the left hand side? Dy by dx that is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. 5a into e power 5 into x, x value 0, 0 into anything 0, so 5a into e power 0 minus 3b into, since x value is 0, 0 into anything 0, so once again minus 3b into e power 0 minus 3b into e power 0. So 0 that is equal to 5a, anything power 0 that is equal to 1. 3b, anything power 0 equals 1. For your reference, I write here e power 0 equals 1. So you write 5a into 1 is 5a, minus 3b into 1 is minus 3b, that is equal to 0. Just I have written RHS and LHS, LHS and RHS. This is a new equation, let it be equation number 4. Now, also given d squared y by dx squared that is equal to 2 when x equals 0. D squared by dx squared equals 2 when x equals 0. The x equals 0 is common for both. So, equation number 3 implies, in equation number 3 only we have d squared by dx squared, correct? Replace d squared by dx squared by 2. 2 that is equal to 25a into e power 5 into 0. E power 0 only. 9b into e power minus 3 into 0 is e power 0 only, correct? So 2 that is equal to 25a into e power 0 plus 9b into e power 0. So 2 that is equal to 25a into anything power 0 equals 1 and e power 0 that is equal to 1, since e power 0 equals 1. So we have 25a into 1 is 25a plus 9b into 1 is 9b, that is equal to 2. That is another new equation, equation number 5. I am going to solve equation 4 and 5 for finding the values of a and b. Here you can eliminate either A or B. Here we have the coefficient of A is 5, here 25. For making them equal, you have to multiply the equation number 4 by 5. 5 5s are 25. Then only can get 25, 25. Otherwise, you can go for B. B coefficient is minus 3, here 9. So, better to eliminate B. It will be easy. You just multiply by 3. Okay. Fourth equation multiplied by 3. If you multiply by 3, 5 3s are 15, 15A. Multiply by 3, 3 3s are 9, 9B. 0 into 3, that is equal to 0. And the fifth equation, write as it is. What is the fifth equation? 25A plus 9B, that is equal to 2. Direct cancel. Plus 9B minus 9B get cancelled. Without changing the sign, you are cancelling element. That is called addition. So 15A plus 25A, that is equal to 40A. That is equal to 0 plus 2 is 2. We need the value of A. A that is equal to 2 divided by 40. Correct? 2 table 1 time, 20 times. So I got the value of A, 1 by 20. Now substitute the value of A in equation number 4 or 5. I take equation number 4. Therefore, equation number 4 implies 5 A value is 1 by 20 minus 3B, that is equal to 0. 5 table can cancel how many times? 4 times. So 1 by 4, that is equal to, I take minus 3B to the right hand side, we will be getting plus 3B. So 1 divided by 4 into 3, just you have to cross multiply, 4 into 3, that is equal to B. Therefore, B equals 1 divided by 4, 3s are 12. Now I got the values of A and B. Substitute the values of A and B in equation number 1. That will be the final answer. In equation number 1, what is in the left hand side? Y. Equation number 1, y we have A into e power 5x. A value is 1 by 20. 1 by 20 into e power 5x. And plus B into e power minus 3x. What is value of B? Plus 1 by 12 into e power minus 3x. That's all. Very important question. Practice the problem. It may be asked in 5 marks. So problem number 5 is completed. I'll be teaching the next problem in the next video. Thank you, children.